How to ask for referrals on LinkedIn. Hello everyone, in this video I'll be teaching you how to ask for referrals on the LinkedIn app. First of all, you open the LinkedIn app. Below you will see 5 options: home, my network, posts, notifications and jobs. At the bottom right, you click on jobs. Depending on the kind of job you want to apply for, let's say you want to apply for an Upwork, you search here for Upwork. Open this. Depending on the company, you might have some connections attached to them. Those are the people working under the company. That's why it's good for you to increase your connections on LinkedIn. So here I have 13 connections. Instead of just applying yourself, you get higher chances when you are being referred by someone working for the company. So first of all, you copy the link of the job. At the top right, you see the 3 dots. You click on it. You select the third option that says share via. Here you click on copy, which is below the apps. After copying the link to the job, you click on the connections you have that are working under the company. So here you can choose to send message to any of them here so that they can refer you to the job. It may depend on, maybe let's say the location of the job. You want to filter out the location of the job. Let's say you want a job based in Lagos, Nigeria. Show results. So you can keep filtering till you have a person that you may desire. So here I want the first person to recommend me for the job. You click on the icon at the right beside her profile. So you copy the link to the job. Then you can edit this to please recommend me for this job at Upwork. Then you can add any other information. Maybe you want to add your CV or a cover letter to prove that you are right for the job. That's how to obtain referrals on LinkedIn.